Sona's Sunny Seaside Story. Hi, I am Sona. Today is a super special day. I want to have a picnic by the sea. Can you see the big, strong letter S? It looks like a swimming snake. First, I need the softest, brightest thing in the sky. I need the S-U-N, S-S-S, sun. Can you say it with me? Next, I want to go swimming, but I cannot swim on the grass. I need the S-C, S-S-C, so much blue. Oh no, my feet are cold after swimming. I need something cozy and warm for my toes. I need my favorite, striped socks, S-S-S, socks. Now I am snug and warm, but my tummy says, I am hungry. What is the best picnic food that starts with S? A big, yummy sandwich. The sandwich was so good, but wait, why is everything I use so special? Look, sun, sea, socks, and sandwich all start with the letter S. Do you see the big S? It makes the sound S, 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 just like a small snake. In Farsi, you know how to read si, sin, and si, sad, which make similar sounds. The little S looks exactly the same, but smaller. Essis. It's a silent, soft sound. Try to say it without using your tongue too much. Let's make a craft. We can use the shape of the letter S to make a super paper snake. Cut out 2 big red S's from paper. Glue your 2 S's together, add eyes, and give your snake a big smile. Thank you for a splendid day, Sona says. Now you know the sound of S.